Please introduce yourself.
I am Alejandro Castilla, Sales and Project Manager here at Econ Industries.
What are metal sludges and grinding swarf?
Typically, these are fine or very fine metal shavings or powder contaminated with emulsions or hydrocarbons and water. They can be from titanium, aluminium swarf, or others that also contain valuable alloy metals.
Where do they come from?
From various manufacturing processes. For example, when making metal bearings, here thick-walled pipes are cut to an intermediate size and then ground to the required final size. This process requires the use of cutting or grinding oils or coolants, and afterwards the fine metal shavings are washed out of the system. The oil is then filtered and recycled, and the remaining filter cake is the grinding swarf.
What does the input material consist of?
It clearly varies from material to material, but for example here in Germany, where we have a very strong automotive industry, we can talk about ferrous grinding swarf with a moisture content of up to 20% and oil and solid content of 80% measured in weight.
Wolverine or Iron Man?
Wolverine.
What is the output material after the vacuum dry process?
The metal sludge application is one of the most interesting to us, since 100% recycling of both the solid fraction and the evaporated fraction is achieved. Solids with an oil content of less than 1000 ppm and more than 99% oil in product quality can be recovered.
How can you achieve such high purity in the output material?
Vacuum drying is a low temperature vacuum distillation process that occurs in a nitrogen environment. This avoids the oxidation or cracking of the recovered metals and oils. Without a doubt, vacuum is the key to success for low temperature treatment.
Do you have any experience?
For example, the vacuum dry plant behind me operates in Germany since 2012 and prevents more than 10,000 tons per year of high alloyed steel from going to co-incineration.
Tesla or Porsche?
The electric line of Porsche.
What quantities can be treated?
From a few tons to 200 tons per day, or even more if multiple units are installed in parallel.
How do you make a profit by treating these sludges?
So from the perspective of oil, of course for reuse in the grinding process, and from the solid fraction by using a briquetting system. The briquettes can be remelted, for instance in an electric arc furnace to produce steel.
What are the greatest advantages of using the vacuum dry technology?
Definitely accelerating the transition to a circular economy and giving a second use to what we used to call waste.
Heavy metal or pop songs?
Heavy metal.
Thank you, Alejandro.
Gracias, de nada.